The ostrich is the largest and heaviest living bird in the world. Native to Africa, this flightless bird is a fascinating creature known for its impressive speed, long legs, and unique behaviors. Although it cannot fly, the ostrich is extremely fast and can run at speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour, using its strong legs to escape predators in the wild. Ostriches belong to a group of birds called ratites, which also includes emus, rheas, and kiwis. These birds have flat breastbones, without the keel that flying birds use to anchor their wing muscles. The ostrich's wings are relatively small compared to its large body and are used mainly for balance and courtship displays rather than for flying. An adult male ostrich can grow up to 9 feet tall and weigh over 150 kilograms. Its long neck and legs make it well suited for spotting danger from a distance across the open savannas and deserts where it lives. Its large eyes, the biggest of any land animal, give it excellent vision, helping it stay alert to predators like lions and cheetahs. Ostriches are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. Their diet includes seeds, fruits, insects, and even small reptiles. Since they do not have teeth, ostriches swallow small stones and pebbles that help grind up food in their gizzards, a special part of their digestive system. One of the most interesting aspects of ostrich behavior is their reproduction. During the breeding season, male ostriches perform dramatic dances to attract females. After mating, the female lays her eggs in a shell nest in the ground. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird species, weighing up to 1.4 kilograms. Several females may lay eggs in the same nest, and both males and females take turns incubating them. Despite their size and strength, ostriches have long been hunted for their feathers, skin, and meat. Today, they are also farmed in many parts of the world for commercial purposes. Conservation efforts in Africa help ensure that wild populations remain stable and protected. In conclusion, the ostrich is a remarkable bird that has adapted well to its environment. Its inability to fly is compensated by its speed, strong legs, and sharp vision. As a unique member of the bird kingdom, the ostrich continues to fascinate scientists, nature lovers, and people around the world.